Good morning. I just had to go fill up with gas in this can, which weighs about 40 pounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my can on the ground here. No pun intended. Take the spout off. And that's keeping full of gas, fresh gas. Then I'm going to use my fuel transfer pump. I highly recommend this. It's fantastic. All you do is put this down into the can, like this, and you screw the top on. I'm a little crooked. Let me get it fixed. There we go. That's on nice and tight now. Then you just put this in the gas tank. Like this, it just clips right in the gas tank. That's real simple. I push this button to turn it on, and it's pumping in there. Now, as soon as it gets full, it'll shut off automatically. So let's watch it. Now, I don't have to lift that 45-pound can of gas up and deal with it. Besides, I was getting low on fuel here. It takes me about 3 mows of the lawn to empty this tank. You get a red light on when it's pumping. This is fantastic. I never knew this existed until last year, and I highly recommend you get one for situations like this. You just don't have to lift up a heavy gas can anymore, other than when you go fill it up. Well, I was really empty, I guess. Here it comes. Fill. That's it. It goes back in here when you're done, and that's all you got to do. Oh, that was probably about 3 gallons. All right. So, the Crestwave Fuel Transfer, highly recommend.